Hi friends, I hope you people are fine and your online classes are going well. So I came in another video about the Microsoft applications. I'm going to use all the applications that are available in the Microsoft. It is going to be a complete video of Microsoft applications, how we can use all the applications in our online class and enhance our presentations and make our classes are so beautiful and more interactive way. Let's start. So please stay tuned until the last. You will get so many features about how we can use it, the softwares. As I earlier told that how we can get the free subscriptions, how you can get a free subscriptions of the Microsoft Office, that is using the Skype. I made another video, just check it out, how you can use it, that Microsoft Office. Once you log in, this windows will appear. In this window you will get it all the applications which you have needed. So there are this many applications available. So calendars, OneDrives, all this. See, OneDrive you will get it a free 5 GBs of data is available in free subscriptions. If your school is organized as they are tie up with the Microsoft, they will get it more, but because it is we are individually doing, means you can get it a 5 GBs, and you know all these contacts as Outlook, Express, everything you know about it, I think so. So let's move on. What are the softwares that we can use it in our online classes and how we can deliver our content? So based on that, so I'm going to do today is OneNote, Sway, and then PowerPoint, Word, and Forms. So I'm going to use all the softwares, how I'm going to use it, how I'm going to deliver. So these softwares are you can easily available, so we can just use it, how free of cost. What do you think about it? Let's move on to this OneNote. This OneNote was very beautiful, and it is like whatever the software you are using for the online delivery, you maybe use WebEx, or you maybe use Zoom, or you maybe use Skype also. There is no worry, whatever the software you are using to deliver online classes to your children, you can organize all your things in one software and you can easily conduct the classes by just sharing the screen. There is no need to be hassle. You no need to be hassle freely. You can online teaching will done, you can do by using this OneNote. So I like this software very much as it has included all the details which I have needed for my classes. So I'm going to take in a class 6. It's a simple demo. I already told you this is, I'm going to be elaborate, I'm going to be explain through my teaching whatever I'm using in my classes and how I'm using the software in my classes. So this is my lesson. So this is something like a book. You can organize all your things. I mean, more than book, it is good. So let's me move on to this text. I have planned this lesson plan, and then what are the presentations? I have book content. I can open the book content here, and I have a presentations also. I have prepared a presentation. Just to click it, you will go to the presentation. That's it. Very easy way, and my work is done. So I'm taken this government. So as I have planned in my lesson plan, so I'm going to add some of the videos. So this is one of the wonderful software for the image presentations. You can give it a very good, so cool, and you can you are make it your presentation so beautiful, and you can easily connect with your videos, audios, organizing your audios, and you can see this is the. So I'm just giving this, make them to be children should come out the answers, then afterwards I will going to be start my topic. So this is a government my topic. So I'm going to give I'm going to show some videos about the petrol rising the price and lockdown. So based on that, the headlines and everything, I'm going to ask them. The children will come to know that they will come up with, yes, this is government. So government means what, how it will be. So this way you can make it your class and so interactive, and one anyhow you are going to share the screen, and if your all the pages are together, even the PPT presentations we can make it, but my suggestion is it is so good, you can show it here. So your video is going to play and you're going to ask questions. So this is the way you can make it more easy way that your presentations was very good. So this is the one way that I have used in my class. Now let's move on to this OneNote, and even have prepared some PPT presentations. So I need to be give some elaboration point, so some explanations about the content. So just you can click it, your prepared presentations will come. That's it. So it is a easy way that you can prepare presentations well done. So I hope this is a very easy way you can do it presentations. Now let's move on to activity. What I'm planning for that, I'm planning for the election to be conduct, online campaign, everything I have planned, and even I can make it note of that what is the rubrics and everything I have done. So assessment through the forms, I have already made a video about how to make forms, how you can conduct quizzes, how you can do it. So here itself I have everything organized in such that the children I have to share it, or I can conduct online itself, no problem. So then afterwards, related to this lesson, what are the classworks I have done? I have a workbook as well as I have classworks. So classwork also organized. So OneNote is a beautiful one thing that you can able to do it easily, and you can organize yourself. So hassle freely you can online teaching will done. So every one of us definitely will share the screen when we are teaching that lesson, isn't it? So just you can just click it, open OneNote, and just move on your lesson plans, textbook, presentations, and activity, whatever you are planning together. So here I'm again one more time, these are all the free softwares which is we are using. If your school, if your organization are tie up with the Microsoft, you will get a free account. There are so many software again it will be added to you, but this is a way that whatever the available software we have, that is only we are discussing. I hope you people will try this one. It's a very good way of OneNote. You can use it in your class, and you can organize your work very easily and make it presentations more beautiful and interactive way, and hassle free presentation. I think you people will like. Thank you so much.